So the transmission with our voice here coming through our speakers is very clear. You know, I can really get into the last 10 seconds of the workout and I can be screaming my lungs out and everyone can hear me clear. It's not interfering with our music. There's no echo in the studio as well.
The sound quality during our classes is amazing. Even if I have the music blaring up, everyone can still hear me loud and clear.
You know, it's something completely different to what I was used to. It's very unique and definitely the music pumps you up.
It's really important to make sure that both the instructor and music can be heard at a clear level.
I love a dance floor and I love going out, and so it's a good way to start the day for me. It puts me in the mood and gets me lots of energy.
The feedback that we're getting from our members is amazing. They love the sound, it really gets them going for the rest of the day.